Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Wow, we have another new brand for the channel. Now, these guys have been out for a little while. First time I am getting my hand on an OLITANS knife. That's how I'm pronouncing it, OLITANS. But this is the King Penguin. Ooh, somebody's got some competition. Anyway, now, this, as I said, my first real opportunity with an OLITANS knife, and you know, on first look and getting my first opportunity to see it, fit and finish, done very well. You can see it's not too open construction. You do have the back spacer going on there, but we've got G10. We do have a crossbar lock. Dual thumb stud deployment. You do have a lanyard hole, and we do have it's trying to be deep carry, but you're gonna have just a little bit sticking out there. Everything chamfered off real nice. The G10 is fantastic. It's not heavily textured. It is fairly lightly textured, but it does well. It does very, very well. And reversible clip. So that is good, for sure. And, you know, that's pretty much a completely ambidextrous knife. With the crossbar, the dual thumb studs, and the reversible clip, our lefty friends are not getting left out in the dust. And it's going to kind of be hard to see centering. There we go. If we look at it that way, it's on point. It is definitely on point. But now, let's get to jumps out there very nicely on the thumb studs. Crossbar lock, again, very smooth, no stick. There's no stick. Again, there's a coated blade, 14C28N, by the way, sheepsfoot blade, and no stick. No stick whatsoever. Great action. Cage ceramic bearings. Wow. Yeah, that is nice. Very nice. Very smooth. And that blade. You guys know I'm definitely digging. It's a very plain design. When I say plain, I mean simple. There's not a lot of angles and stuff. I mean, we got a couple back there. But overall, love the design. And, you know, I mean, it's... Dude, anymore we can say this. Yeah, it looks similar to some other stuff. I'm kind of okay with the overall design because that is what I like. So... It's not saying anything derogatory towards OLITANS. That's not my point. My point is it's very simple, very straightforward, and I'm very happy about that. Did pretty darn good on our cut test. Make sure to check that out. That should be linked below, as well as a link to the King Penguin if you want to go check it out. But overall, now the only thing, you know, I know that's probably not going to make some people happy, the big lettering on the pocket clip. I mean, it doesn't really bother me at all because it doesn't affect the operability of the knife. So, sure, if it's not there, it's a little bit cleaner, but yeah, it's a nitpick. But, so we're pretty much looking at bug out-ish size. I mean, we got a little bit, might have it a little bit on the handle or on the blade. And it definitely has a little bit on the handle, 1/8 of an inch or so. But up here, I don't even think it's an 1/8 of an inch, maybe a 1/16. And then, of course, that means it's going to be much smaller than the PM2. And not that much smaller, but it is. Overall, definitely smaller. So let's get this guy out here. And, all right. 3.5, 100 grams, and our carry. Oh, I didn't give you the overall specs. We kind of jumped ahead. That's all right. Like I said, a little bit of peekaboo. Clips pretty smooth in. Little light coming out. You know, probably wouldn't hurt it to be just a little bit tighter. I mean, it's not taking a whole lot. I'm not getting that immediate snap back. If I let it go, it snaps. But pocket clip could maybe be, again, nitpick. It is definitely a nitpick. So, all right. let's get back on track. Let's give you your spec check. So, overall, you're looking at about 7 5/8. It's not quite 7 1/4. So, or 3/4, excuse me. Handle probably 4 3/8, which should give us right about a 3 1/4-ish inch handle, what it does. And it's pretty close to a full cutting edge. Nice little bit of belly on that sheepsfoot blade. And then our grip length. Ooh, looky there. Right about 3 1/2, which you guys know is perfect for me. Oh, and there is some jimping up there, which it's catching probably the last, I'd say 2/3 of my thumb, and it is gripping pretty well, even though it's it's more of a black wash than a coated blade. It's more black wash, so, the coating shouldn't affect it, but it definitely, if I slide my finger, it definitely grabs. So, overall, that's pretty darn good. Now, what do we think? First impressions of the OLITANS line, because that's exactly what we have here. Manufacturing, fit and finish, done well. Absolutely. Action, very well. Jumps out there, slide shut, jumps out, slide shut. Very smooth, very, very good. And then ergonomics. And again, it hits every single point for me. Not in a bad way, in a good way. There's no issue with the pocket clip. The pocket clip does stay high, but then it eventually dives down. The portion, the curl up portion of the clip, tail of it, whatever you want to call it, is hit me right in that groove. So it's perfect. And size, perfect EDC size for me. It's hard to see. There you go. You can kind of get some light in there. There is weight reduction going on. So, size, fit and finish, yeah. For a first impressions, I am very, very pleased at what I am seeing from OLITANS knives. Now, like I said, I know they've been out there for a little while now. And, I've been hearing some pretty good things. I really haven't heard anything negative about the brand. Maybe I'm sure somebody didn't like something somewhere. I had a couple of nitpicks. That's all they were nitpicks, like the big lettering. Okay, that's a nitpick, but everything else is pretty on point. And coming in at $58, for 14C G10, it's not bad. Not bad at all. A little bit of kind of sort of name recognition going on there with the King Penguin. But hey, it's just a word. And wasn't the first time, probably won't be the last either. So, huge shout out to OLITANS for sending this one out. And I really do have to thank our good friend, Dave Berg. Dave, he, I guess, let OLITANS know that I might be somebody they want to talk to. And here we go. Here we are. So, huge shout out to Dave as well. And of course, I have to thank all of you that stopped by and see what I think of the King Penguin. Really, really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.